Today is finally Friday, so congratulations, we've made it through another great week. I'm going to be reviewing yesterday's word problem. So yesterday you completed this word problem. Today, your last word problem is due, and I will go over today's word problem on Monday. So let's take a look. Jared tells a secret to 3 friends. Each friend tells the secret to 3 of their friends. How many total people know the secret? So let's go up to the top, do our drawing. I personally like to draw pictures with mine because it makes it easiest for me, but there are different ways that you could solve this. We start with Jared. Here is Jared. Jared tells 3 people. I'm going to show 1, 2, 3. Then it says that these 3 people each told 3 people. So this person told 3. This person told 3. And this person told 3. And it wants to know how many total people know the secret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And don't forget Jared over here. Jared knows the secret, and he makes 13. So 13 people know the secret. And again, that went in the wrong place. Make sure that you click where you want this image to go when you're done, because I did not, and it went on the wrong problem, but that's okay. Okay. There are other ways that you could have solved that. Either way is fine, as long as we got to the right answer. Have a great weekend.